Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge IELTS reading, Alexander Henderson, 1831 to 1913. Questions 1 to 8 are true, false and not given. First question is, Henderson rarely visited the area around Press Estate when he was younger. Henderson जब छोटा था, तब वह प्रेस एस्टेट के आसपास के इलाके में बहुत कम जाया करता था. Let's see in the paragraph. The family often stayed at Press Castle, the large mansion on the northern edge of the property, and Alexander spent much of his childhood in the area, playing on the beach near Eyemouth or fishing in the streams nearby, so its answer is false. Next question is, Henderson pursued a business career because it was what his family wanted. Henderson ने व्यावसायिक करियर इसलिए अपनाया क्योंकि उसके परिवार की यही इच्छा थी. Let's see in the paragraph. In 1849 he began a 3-year apprenticeship to become an accountant. Although he never liked the prospect of a business career, he stayed with it to please his family, so its answer is true. Next question is, not given. Next question is, there are many similarities between Henderson's early landscapes and those of Notman. Henderson के early landscapes और Notman के landscapes के बीच कई समानताएं हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. In spite of their friendship, their styles of photography were quite different. While Notman's landscapes were noted for their bold realism, Henderson for the first 20 years of his career produced romantic images, showing the strong influence of the British landscape tradition. तो उनमें similarities नहीं बल्कि difference था, therefore its answer is false. Next question is, not given. Next to that is, Henderson gave up portraiture so that he could focus on taking photographs of scenery. Henderson ने portrait photography छोड़ दी ताकि वह प्राकृतिक दृश्यों की तस्वीरें लेने पर ध्यान केंद्रित कर सके. Let's see in the paragraph. In 1866, he gave up his business to open a photographic studio, advertising himself as a portrait and landscape photographer. From about 1870 he dropped portraiture to specialize in landscape photography and other views, so its answer is true. Next question is, when Henderson began work for the Intercolonial Railway, the Montreal to Halifax line had been finished. जब Henderson ने Intercolonial Railway के लिए काम शुरू किया, तब Montreal से Halifax तक की लाइन पूरी हो चुकी थी. Let's see in the paragraph. He took some photographs of the construction of the Intercolonial Railway. This undertaking led in 1875 to a commission from the railway to record the principal structures along the almost completed line connecting Montreal to Halifax. Almost completed का मतलब finished नहीं होता, so its answer is false. Next question is, Henderson's last work as a photographer was with the Canadian Pacific Railway. Henderson का photographer के तौर पर last work Canadian Pacific Railway के साथ था. Let's see in the paragraph. That summer, he made his second trip west, photographing extensively along the railway line as far as Victoria. He continued in this post until 1897, when he retired completely from photography. So its answer is true. Next 9 to 13 questions are to complete the notes with only one word. This is about Alexander Henderson. His early life. First question is, was born in Scotland in 1831. Father was a something. का जन्म 1831 में स्कॉटलैंड में हुआ था. उनके पिता कुछ थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Alexander Henderson was born in Scotland in 1831 and was the son of a successful merchant, so its answer is merchant. Next is about start of a photographic career. People bought Henderson's photos because photography took up considerable time and the something was heavy. लोग Henderson की तस्वीरें खरीदते थे क्योंकि फोटोग्राफी में काफी समय लगता था और कुछ भारी होते थे. Let's see in the paragraph. There was little competing hobby or amateur photography before the late 1880 because of the time-consuming techniques involved and the weight of the equipment, so its answer is equipment. Next question is, the paragraphs Henderson sold were something or souvenirs. Henderson द्वारा बेची गई तस्वीरें कुछ न कुछ यादगार वस्तुएं, स्मृति चिन्ह, होती थीं. Let's see in the paragraph. People wanted to buy photographs as souvenirs of a trip or as gifts, so its answer is gifts. Next questions are about traveling as a professional photographer. He traveled widely in Quebec and Ontario in 1870 and 1880. Took many trips along eastern rivers in a something. Let's see in the paragraph. He was especially fond of the wilderness and often traveled by canoe on the Blanche, du Lièvre, and other noted eastern rivers, so its answer is canoe. Next question is, he worked for CPR in 1885 and photographed the something, and the railway at Rogers Pass. Let's see in the paragraph. In 1885, he went along the Canadian Pacific Railway CPR as far as Rogers Pass in British Columbia, where he took photographs of the mountains and the progress of construction, so its answer is mountains. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.